Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use import data function in your Google Sheets. This is quite easier process, but to do this you must have a .csv file, otherwise the formula will not work. So very few links will have this CSV format. So I have taken already one CSV file here. So let's say how it works. So I'm going to import data from this CSV file. So whatever data is available here, so it's going to be imported onto my Google Sheets. Let me select this thing, close the parenthesis, hit enter. I guess it's loading the data, so real time it will load the data into your Google Sheets. So whenever the data gets updated, also you can see the changes in here. So it's real time. So if you have a CSV file that you want to track in real time, you just add the formula and then it will be giving you the data. Let's open this website and see what it has. So it's directly downloading onto as a Excel file, but to avoid this, so you can maintain this as a real time in your Google Sheets. So whenever you want to maintain every time, you don't have to go and check whether this is updated or not. So instead of as you can see, it directly downloads onto your PC and it eats your PC memory or storage. Then it's better to add this link and then just apply the formula and it will be real time. So if the details are added furthermore, then you can look into it and have a benefit from it. So thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video.